Hello, in this video I will give you a brief review of how to make your own app in 2026 without technical background with the help of AI. Yesterday and this morning I spent around 1.5 hours, I think. Let me just double check to make a simple app. It's here. I think around 1 hour and 40 minutes. Not this one. Yes, this one. Yeah, so I spent around 1 hour and 45 minutes to make this app. It is a timer that I can count the time that I spend on each hobby project I'm working on, and like across days. So when I start, then I work on this project. For example, let's assume I'm working on this project, then I go back when I want to go with another project, or when I want to go with another project, then I just start that project. So basically this app will log down the time I spent on each project. That's all I wanted to do. And I start from yesterday night from an idea, then I talk with Cloud and refine the idea, then ask it to give me the code I can use in VS Code and Python. So basically, to follow what I do, I will give you a full screen recording of myself work from zero to make this app happen. The only thing you need to do beside what I will show you in the full recording is that you need to install Python and VS Code. They are already easy to install. Just download from their website, then install. There's nothing special about that. Then actually everyone have a computer. Everyone have access to AI, whatever AI that is. It's Cloud or ChatGPT or Gemini or Grok. They all work in terms of making such apps, and everyone can work with it as long as you have a computer and you have an idea to realize, and you have some free time. In terms of this app, I spent less than 2 hours in total, and it is fully functional as I wished. So that is today. I make this video just to briefly show you that everyone can make an app. And if you are just a beginner, you never make a software, make an app before, just watch the full process how I made it, then learn from that. In the future I plan to also record how I make other more complex apps, and put it in YouTube, so that maybe some people can benefit from it. I don't know. Let's see. By far, I have already made. This is the one of them. I already made several apps that I can connect with a smart ring like this that I made. It's a hardware product. Basically, they are some of them are quite complex. One of them is an audiobook player that I can control with a smart ring, so that when I'm driving, I can easily manipulate the player. But let's talk about that in the future videos. But for now, as I said, if you have a computer and if you have an idea, try it. Try to learn from the recording that I made and make your own app.